days. He has to go to his uncle's house. Yuki!
Have you ever decided a vacation destination just by picking a random spot on the map? Well, that is basically how we decided to stay at Cap Kigawan this past summer. I wanted to go somewhere in Northern Ontario that I've never been before, so I just picked a random place, and that landed us 550 kilometers north of Toronto, near the Quebec border. The whole purpose of this trip was a relaxing vacation where there's no cell phone service and we can just fully chill out. But if you guys know me by now, I have zero chill and I found something to do every single day.
That's video content right there.
Yeah, so it turns out I'm still not good chopping wood. Nevertheless,
Wow, beautiful.
That one's probably better though because it's thinner, thicker. There was a moth in my chair. I spilled coffee all over my chair. I have a completely irrational fear of moths. I don't even know where it came from. Literally any other bug I'm fine with, but a moth, absolutely not. Absolutely nope. We just went to the park store to register this morning. Oh my god.
Huh?
You literally can hear me talking to the camera. Why would you do that?
Chopping wood. What?
He was not screaming about wood chopping the whole time. And as soon as I turn the camera on, we go and scream about it. You sound like those guys in the gym. I got our sticker to put in our park's passport. This park is actually a lot smaller than I realized. Whoops. We're camping here, and the other campsite is here, which has 30 campsites. In the whole park, there's 46 campsites, and then the rest is like trails along the river and stuff. Come, little toad. He does not want to be caught. Yo, he literally just leaves me. He's like way over there. Oh, he never waits. Like he's in a rush for what? I might be clumsy, but I'm actually pretty good at this kind of thing. But there's no sites on the map for here. Yeah, I don't know any of the history of this park. That fire pit hasn't been used in a long time.
This is a spider's house, and I don't want to be invited in.
Yeah, this is really old, I think. I want to know more about the history of this park, actually. I don't know when this park was opened or...
1793.
1793, okay. Before Canada was even a country. No! You can't do this.
Okay, you can sleep on this side. I'll sleep on this side.
Bruh. want to know who the hell at Eddie Bauer marketed this as a rain jacket, because it's just a second thing that makes me wet. It's a very wet situation. Oh, I'm getting literally dripped on. I don't think there's anywhere to stay dry. Oh, feel my arms. Literally wring out black my shirt. It has finally stopped raining now that I'm like thoroughly drenched. It is not a rain jacket. I found that out in Scotland, but to this day it's the only thing close to a rain jacket that I have. This did nothing. It still does nothing. I really need to buy an actual rain jacket. Also, next year, more tarps.
If you're new to my channel, you might not know, but I am a giant history nerd, and I will find a museum or something historical to look at pretty much anywhere I travel. I just really love learning something new about the places I visit, and that is how we ended up stumbling upon Cobalt, an old mining town.
We're going on a mine tour. We're gonna go to the Colonial mine, but we were just in a shop where they told us to check out like all the mine sites, not just this one. There's ladies at this shop here, the Silver Moccasin. So 10 out of 10 for tour guiding us. They said we look like absolute tourists. She's like, I saw you reading the sign outside. You had tourist vibes. Nice.
You wouldn't want it to be like touching.
So you can see there's scaffolding poles right there where they would have built their water sports. You can also see the calcite that followed up there. A lot of people would end up getting pneumonia or hypothermia working down here in the winter months because it's just so cold and wet down here. Turn the lights off. And so this is what they would have been working in back in 1907. You can tell like cobalt and calcite were very valuable indicators because everything else is just kind of indistinguishable and gray. Your candle could get knocked out, whether it was from a shock wave or just a minecart going by. And when that happened, it looked like this.
They really want to drive it home that you cannot eat these rocks.
Dare me to eat this rock?
Well, we've seen all the sights. Are you ready to go into town for a beer? We are going to the, what is it, Riverside Farmers Market in Temiskaming. It was sunny, now it's cloudy. It's supposed to rain off and on today. So we'll see what there is to do otherwise.
Right before we went on our vacation, I had been reading an article about something called the haskap berry, which only grows in certain parts of Russia and Hokkaido in Japan. I never thought that I would taste it outside of those places, and lo and behold, we ended up finding a farmer up north who grows a hybrid version of the berry.
Takes the rest of the other 50.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You can get a little jam.
So do you grow these or do you pick
The inside is like redder than a blueberry. Like, you know how the inside of a blueberry is like whitish?
Skin. It's the only variety with a really solid skin, and you could actually transport these to Toronto without them turning into juice. So that's the background on them. High antioxidants. There's other things in it.
So many farmers market goodies. We got haskap berries. We got low sugar haskap berry jam. We got peaches. We got pesto. Chimichurri. A nice view of the river.
How much is it?
That's very unfortunate then.
Take a picture of that for the audience, and then I'll eat those 3 packs.
No.
I just eat 3 patties? What is wrong?
No!
What is wrong?
Itadakimasu.
I feel like this is something you should have known already.
I'm a lady. I didn't even have to get my own drinks. Ah! Motherfucker, I hit it too hard.
Me, I waited.
Everything is super wet. It did start raining halfway through cooking dinner, so yeah, everything got wet and we are kind of giving up. The fire, there was like a little bit of wood left. We didn't buy more, so yeah, it's like just 9 o'clock now. We're just gonna let the fire go out and then we're gonna go to bed early. I'm gonna lay in the tent, read a book, play cards, go to bed, and then tomorrow we'll pack up and head home. This morning as we were making breakfast, I tripped with a pot of boiling water and I spilled water all down my leg. Like the first aid kit burn cream on it, which is just like tea tree. I literally like ripped my pants off the moment it happened, so I think that might have helped, but obviously it still got burned. It really hurt. Hopefully it doesn't blister and scar, because it's literally from like my upper thigh to below my knee. So we finished making breakfast.